I will show wonders in the heavens and in the earth, blood and fire and pillars of smoke.
Over the past 3 days, 2 spectacular volcanic eruptions have occurred in South America. The Lascar volcano in northern Chile erupted early Saturday morning, sending a plume of smoke and ash to a height of 6,000 meters. The authorities have established a forbidden 5-kilometer radius around the crater. There were no reports of casualties or property damage. December 8th in Ecuador, the volcano Cotopaxi erupted a column of gas and ash. The height of the column reached a height of more than 1,000 meters above the level of the crater. Ash fell in the provinces of Pichincha and Cotopaxi. But after evaluation, it was indicated that he was not dangerous to society. Recall that the activity of the Cotopaxi volcano has increased since the end of October. Since October 22nd, the authorities have declared a yellow alert in the zones of influence of the volcano.